The product verification feature is a powerful tool that can be used for many purposes, from verifying that an ice cream stick in an ice cream bar is present, and of the correct size, to counting the number of chocolates inside a box. You access product verification from the drop-down menu on the main setup screen. From the menu, choose Machine Setup, then Options. Then turn on Product Verification by selecting the box, and then hit Save in the top right corner to save this setting. This example demonstrates setup for a box of chocolates. For this example, the tool groups have already been set. The checkboxes to the left of tool and filter names are used to turn the filters, tools, or tool groups on or off. Refer to the user's manual for the setup and functionality of all the filter functions. Here the simple binary threshold, and the erode and dilate filters, are being used to enhance the image and give it a clear boundary. The piece, or count tool, is used to define what is called the blob count, meaning the number of blobs that must be found during inspection in order to accept a package. For this example, the blobs represent the count of chocolates that must be present in a complete box of chocolates. Now that the verification software is all set up, let's test it out with a box of chocolates that is missing a few pieces. It's important to note that during the product verification process, the X-ray system is still scanning for contaminants. This screen is showing that there were no contaminants detected. Now let's take a look at the filters we have set up. Taking a look at the product verification filters, notice the red bar indicating the product scan did not pass one or more of the filter requirements. When you scroll down to the piece count, you can see that the software has identified that there are 3 chocolate pieces missing. This pack will be rejected off of the production line. The next application is utilizing product verification software to identify and reject any broken chocolate bars. Now let's look at the product verification filters. The same filters are applied as was used in the previous example, except here, for the piece count, the blob count is set to 1. You can see on the left of the screen, the candy bar is shown as a single bar. Now we are breaking the candy bar into 2 pieces before running it through the X-ray inspection system. First we will check for contaminant detection. Product verification software will run simultaneously with contaminant detection. Here we can see that no contaminants were detected. Looking at the product verification filters, notice the red bar indicating the product scan did not pass one or more of the filter requirements. Select the filters, and you can see that the chocolate bar image on the left is now highlighted in red, indicating the software has detected a problem. The piece count is now more than 1, so this is considered a bad pack, and it will be rejected off of the production line. Some other examples include verifying the stick is present for an ice cream bar. All the pills are present in a pharmaceutical blister pack. Are all components in place for an airline boxed meal? Contact us today to discuss your application.